good or by Charles Cage Reaper here. So, I'm coming to open this Ifixit package that I've had for quite some time now, and the reason why I'm opening it now is because there is something in here that I actually do need. So, without further ado, let's go ahead and get it open. So, I'm going to be using my Microtech OTF here. Alright. So, I'm going to go ahead and do it like this. Hang on. I wonder if I can just peel this. Let's see. Come on. Yeah. But not really. There we go. This may seem a little bit awkward because I'm not right-handed. I'm actually left-handed, believe it or not. For those who don't know, I am left-handed. So, without further ado, now, oops, upside down. Alright, let's see. And I know this knife is sharp. There we go. Let's just do it like this. There we go. I guess it's just easier to get it started. But the knife is sharp. It's just, I don't know what kind of tape they're using. So yeah. So without further ado, let's go ahead and open up the flaps and do it like this. And use this little pan back here to hold everything in place. While I go ahead and pull out my package. Alright, so the first thing that's in here is this. And then, I guess that's it. Okay. And this just has all my information on it. So this is actually not the package that I was looking for. So the other one that I'm looking for must be upstairs. However, this is one item that I can use for what I need to use it for. Let's see. See if I can. Huh? Alright, so sorry about that. My grandmother wanted her sub from Subway. Alright, let's see. Go ahead, pull this out. I need to clean this. Alright, there we go. Alright. Go ahead, stick that right there. And open this up. Looks like I did nick it a little bit. Wait, huh? Well, I'll be damned. There's actually a pull tab right here. Huh. Alright. It is what it is. Alright. So, we'll go ahead and... So this isn't a mat. This is just a, another little box they put it in. Now, this actually isn't the package I was looking for, but it is one of the mats that I ordered. So, I'm just going to go ahead and start off with this. So, this one right here is... Oh, shit. Where'd I drop? Huh. Huh. You... Wait, hang on. I need to see something. Huh. Alright, so you can actually write on it. Now let's see. Is this the eraser? Yeah, I know my handwriting is absolute shingati. I have dysgraphia, so it does make it hard for me to write just like a little bit. So yeah, but that is nice. And I said this is magnetic. Watch this. We got goodies. Alright, let's see what we've got going on here. Okay. I guess it's a little pamphlet type thing. Not bad. I like that. And then we get more stickers. So I'm going to go ahead and put these back in this box. Alright. Because I want to try and get as many Ifixit videos done tonight. Because, like I said, I need the other mat for a specific purpose. Oh, I'm putting it in wrong. Let's see. Just have a little trouble there, struggling. Alright. I'll see you guys later. Peace.